Turning your engine 12J681. Turning good, and the front engines looks good, as you can see. Looks well on altimeter without any damage. On this side, everything's good. Engines without any damage, as you can see. Gearbox not broken. Same as well like on this side. Everything's good with engine. Engine's turbo on good condition. Turbo turn. And on the top, everything's nice. All connectors without any damage, as you can see. And on the bottom, all sound without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 12J681.